Hey y'all, it's Meso here. Welcome into my kitchen today. I'm so glad to have you. I'm ready for you too, because I got something that we're gonna be making that I think is gonna hit the spot. It's really good. Now it meets all the criteria because it is quick, easy, simple, and it is delicious. And so that's the way we like all of our dishes. This right here, we're gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna delay. We're gonna look at the ingredients and then we're gonna get started making it. Come on, let's go. Look at these beautiful ingredients. Not a lot of them. Wonder what we're making. We're gonna be making a pumpkin spiced cake. So good, guys. I'm starting off with the usual 2 sticks of softened butter, and I'm putting in some brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar instead of white. And I'm just letting that whip to combine all of that together and make it nice and smooth. I'm getting in my eggs and I'm getting them in one at a time. And I'm allowing it to beat really well between each egg. Guys, don't worry. The entire recipe and all its ingredients and how much of each ingredient is going to be in the description box. Just go there and click on that link and it'll take you to a free printable recipe. So you always want to keep your bowl scraped down. So that's what I just finished doing here, scraping down the bowl. You know, this time of year, the kind of weather we're having, this is autumn. This is a wonderful cake and some beautiful flavors to be having now, even all the way up through the holidays. This is just a great cake for a Thanksgiving dinner. This is even a great cake served at Christmas because it just tastes like potatoes. You won't be able to tell the difference from between this pumpkin and sweet potatoes. In fact, you can interchange the pumpkin and sweet potatoes. But for right now, we are using pumpkin. I'm putting in some vanilla flavoring, and you know I like Watkins, and I use that when I have it. Okay, I need to get this up, and now comes the star attraction. That's my pumpkin puree. They do make pumpkin pie filler, but I've never bought that. I always just use the puree, and it works out great. But you get either one that you can find. This is such a simple cake. Such a simple cake. That's why I wanted to make this video, so I could show you guys if you don't have a lot of time. Make a cake like this. It's really, really simple, but it tastes really, really good. And people will think that you spent a whole lot of time on it. Now there, I just went in my spices that go into this cake. And that's one of the things that makes it taste so, so, so good. Okay, we're just gonna keep on beating here. And this part that you beat before you add the flour, it's okay to beat it, 5, 7, 8 minutes. It's okay, but once that flour goes in there, you don't want to beat it that long because you don't want the cake to get tough. You want it to remain soft. I'm getting my flour in there now. Yeah, as I was saying, you want it to be soft. And this cake is great for soft. It's not so soft, but it is so moist. This cake is very, very moist. And it's not, when I say soft, this cake is not a fall apart kind of soft, but it's just a very tender and a very very moist cake. So moist, like we like it. Okay, so I'm gonna just wipe these sides down, the sides of the bowl. And so here I just put it in the pan. This is a greased and floured pan. And it's in the oven now, and it's gonna come out. We're gonna take it out, and this is what we have, honey. Isn't it beautiful? I'm gonna let this just sit and cool. And while it's cooling, I'm gonna go ahead and make the frosting or the icing that goes on this cake. And it's just a cream cheese icing. And I'll have that done before it gets finished cooling. So I just put in some butter and some cream cheese and some confectioner sugar, powdered sugar. Okay, I have some lemon extract. And I'm gonna add this here because it makes the cake taste so good. Gives it a lemony, a citrus, and then a very bright flavor. So you're not gonna be able to taste so much of the lemon as you are the brightness. So here I am. I'm gonna get this icing on this cake. And you always heard me say every time I do a cake, I'm not a great cake decorator. I can cook it, but I'm not the best at decorating it. But what we're gonna do, this cake again is easy. It's not hard. We're not gonna have to sweat or fret. We're just gonna get this icing on here, and it's gonna look good. Even if it's not perfect, that's okay. Makes it look rustic. They know it's homemade then. But wait until they taste it, baby. All doubts are gonna be removed. They're gonna know you the boss. You are the boss. You're the bum biggity, baby. They're gonna know that when you put this cake out. And wow them and knock them dead with this cake. I kid you not, it's so good. And I love the ease in making it. This recipe has been in my family a long time. I don't remember now exactly who it came from, but it's been in our family a long, long, long time. Maybe like about 40 years. So you try this cake and see what you get. Now I finished putting the icing on, and I've got some slithered, very thinly sliced almonds on top. Looking pretty good, huh? Yes, it does. Okay, let's go ahead and get a better look. Let's cut this baby. Okay, so I got a piece out here. I got to go really quickly because while I wasn't looking, somebody else got a piece and they're just waiting for more of it. So let me come on and show this to you. And isn't it pretty? Look at the inside. How the color is just autumn. It screams autumn. It's beautiful. Gorgeous cake. You know, talking is one thing, but there's nothing like proof in the pudding. There's nothing like tasting it. I already know how this cake tastes though, because I've made this cake so many times. But let me go on and try it for you. Look at that. It is moist. This cake is good. I can eat this without the icing. This is one of those cakes you don't really need the icing. This is great. I want to thank you guys for stopping by today, checking on me. You wanted to see what I was doing, and you knew that I'd be throwing down. And I hope that I did not disappoint. If you have already subscribed to me, I want to thank you. And if you're not, I want you to find that red subscribe button and hit it. Also hit that notification bell until you get parentheses around the bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time I put up a new video. Also give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments and share my video wherever you are active on social media. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, and I am on Facebook. Come and visit me on either one of those platforms and show me some love. Let me know that you're there. Guys, I just want to thank you for coming by and spending a little time with me. You got tons of things that you could be doing and lots of other people you could be watching. So I just want you to know that I appreciate you when you stop by and pay me a visit. So thank you so much. You know what? You got to love yourself. I want you guys to love yourself. That way you'll be able to love somebody else. And you know what? Show your love by sharing your food. Bye-bye.